July 12th today. It's hot, 82, and it's humid. And you are in your booster seat for the first time ever. How old are you now? 4, yeah. Starting school in the fall, in September. That's crazy. A couple more months. You're still chilling in this seat. Just moved the sled trailer out of the shop. Going to put the big sled trailer in the shop to then put my GM Cummins over here. You're gonna get an ice cap with no caffeine, is that right? Yeah.
What? No way, Jose.
There, we got the big trailer in. Now where are we going? To get the GM Cummins. How many years will we tow it up and down the road? A lot.
Oh, my head's sweaty.
Me too.
Mine too. Whew. Yeah, just blowing the tire up here. How many years has this not been running for now? Probably 3. It was the year that Diane got married. That was the year that everybody got married.
2022?
So it's been broken for at least 3 years. And it's more of a want than a need, so here it is.
Getting towed up and down the road.
Yeah, gets a ride twice a year. Just to roll the tires. Wow. Okay, so it's kind of sketchy when we back out of here because it's downhill, but the brakes do work. I'll use this rope, I think, because it's longer, so it'll go that way and I'll go straight so we don't collide. On the way home last night in my car, I was thinking about like it having a lot of miles on it and it giving up, and then I was like, oh, it'd be funny to derby it. Here goes nothing. No worries. So yeah, go straight until I'm like basically between the posts, and then you can cut it. I'll roll the window down so you can see me flailing my arms. We got this. Okay, go that way. That's good. Got a bit of a parade going on here. A little dusty. Hot day here. We'll just put the AC on. Yeah. Someday we'll have AC. We made it. Just dandy. Whew. Got the truck unhooked. Just brought the sneaker trail home. Coming out into the backyard. The guy that I bought that from, or we bought that bush hog from, I sent him a message.
Oh yeah?
I emailed him and asked what they're worth new now, because I thought if I could sell it and get enough money, buy one of those lane shark things for the tractor.
Oh yeah.
But I would only do it if I could get completely enough money. So Grandpa Joe got all the hay off the fields, and he texted me and said he had a little accident with his Alice. And that was the result. He hit a big hole and lost the kingpin. But I think it only bent the drag link for the steering, and they were just gonna get a new pin or something, so not too big of a deal. Yeah, just the dump trucks over here. There's gotten to be a few Preston pieces of equipment sitting around over here. I like that. Might as well, eh?
Anything to go to town? Do you have your wallet?
No, I don't. I'll have to kind of close up shop maybe. Oh yeah. Not sure what's going on there. That used to be Grandpa Vince's gas station there. Long time ago, before my time. I think that used to be a gas station too. Old Vito's. The building that was there, the old gas station in Grad, it burnt down years ago. This guy in front of us here, the old classic Pontiac Montana Mountain Edition van. Got Yukon plates on it, but it's got a Tweed magnet on the back door. 2022 on the plate, right in front of us. You don't ever see those vans on the road anymore. They're all rotten.
Dragging something.
That's like a grounding strap for static electricity. 9340. Full load.
Was there a truck on the back?
No, I don't think so. I think last time we had the truck here, that was about what it weighed too. Slip tanks, pretty much full.
Yeah, I'd say she's full.
Yeah, nice. I don't know what you call them. Compactors, I guess. 936. Pretty sure that one's been here since I was a kid.
I got baby on my lap.
Yeah, she's riding along. Holy. Busy spot here, wowzers. Cool dump truck, kinda. Let's look at the beautiful fields.
Was it for sale? That dump truck?
I didn't see a sign, but it looked like it was for sale. I wonder who lives there now. It used to be Gunnings, but they moved way up north and bought a fly-in fishing camp. That's usually sweet corn, not this year. Yeah, probably not this year. Looking pretty dry. 42 bales this year. Oh, raspberries starting to come. Yeah, the fields look pretty good. Nice to be able to drive in them again.
They cut them Wednesday, raked them Thursday, baled them Thursday, picked them up Friday. Today's Saturday.
42 bales this year, 43 last year, and 44 and a half the first year. So all pretty close.
Last year, Roseberry's going down. We just tried.
Iron's still standing, but it's definitely not looking any better. Missing more teeth all the time. Ditch is dried right up. We'll have to mow the ditch.
The first time we drove through here, my car, Grace says, "Did we just drive over a round bale?"
Someday we'll be cutting the hay off of these fields, Grace.
Yes.
That would be nice.
Yes.
Still waiting for the 7-day period for our most recent offer. I think it'll probably be Monday at this point. Listed for $149.9 now, and we offered $140 for like the 10th or 11th or 15th time. Still to be continued. Really, it can take as long as it wants because we're in the process of doing a severance, and that is not fast. So.
And we're saving money to buy that place.
Any little extra bit we get, we're stashing away. Where are we going, Grace?
Titty Davidson's house.
Yeah, going to Corey and Melissa's pool. It is a hot day. Do you know how to cannonball?
Oh yeah.
You the cannonball king?
De toi.
Yeah! Just got water in the goggles.
I wondered if those would feel.
Good job.
Hey, get out of the way,
Oh, good job. I think your dad didn't get it.
You having fun, Maeve?
Vulnerable.
I got scared last minute. This is so awkward.
Yeah, he blew a flat and ran into the pool. Alright, I gotta show him once more.
Corey's showing me up. I gotta do it.
You just gotta jump up.
Hop like a little deer. Don't think we're losing anything. too bad all that parsnips growing back here. Guess it did feel lovely to cool down in the pool. Nicest house on the road right there. Trail looks nice since Dad cut the grass. Sunday morning tour. Got a couple cardboard boxes to burn.
Hi. Guys.
Do you think we should take this up to the camp, Grace, and set it up by Grace Lake?
No.
No?
Grace Lake.
I'd totally clean that up and sleep in it. It's got a roof on it. Good to go. Holy smokes, it's hot. Wow.
Holy smokes, they're not too bad.
You're right, they are. Oh yeah, fresh cut fields. I am dying. It's so hot.
29 feels like 40. And it's 10:30 a.m.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Two good looking ones, but
I don't know if next weekend they'll be better.
Is that good, Maeve?
Huh. Your baby. I'm gonna get
Raspberry.
One for Maeve.
one.
Here, Grace, do you want this one? Well, Grace.
thanks for the visit.
Sarah just asked where her jerry can was. Gonna water the garden. give the plants some gas to go.
Even though it's gonna rain.
Yeah, it's looking pretty spooky. Thunder's rumbling. Just moved Murray there so no trees will hit it if we end up getting a big dirty. Big thunder blaster. The yard light just came on and it's 12:52. Oops. Oh yeah, okay.
It's now. It's north of us.
Okay, we're
Around
gonna
3.
get something.
It'll change.
Yeah,
It's only 1 right now.
that's right. It is a lot cooler right now. What's it say the weather is? Or the temperature, I mean.
Still says 31, feels like 40.
Oh no, it's 20, feels like 20.
Says it's not getting cooled down, but
Well, it's raining. Time to go in. Never did. Hey Grace, where are we going?
To Pat's.
That's right, why are we going to Pat's?
Because, the swim, and look at my finger.
Yeah, your finger got pinched earlier in the garage door.
And I
Here, put it down flat. Yeah. Ouch. Yeah, that's okay. Good thing you're tough. It rained earlier. I wanted to see how much of a wash this thing got. A little bit. A little bit. Going over to go in Pat's pool. Had an early supper today. It's probably about 6 o'clock right now. How's your juice box? Is that good?
told me around.
Good
See my
chauffeur.
beer and-
Taxi service. 82. Just chilly. Those cardboard straws aren't very good for kids, are they?
Aquaman. Beautiful.
Touch me.
Woo.
Today will be tomorrow.
Jump, Grace. Yeah, we've put like 10 to 15 offers in on that place down there.